morning students. Today I will start chapter 6, Factors and Multiples. Factor. A factor of a number divides the number without leaving a remainder. Like 4 multiplied 7 equal to 28. So 4 and 7 are factors of 28. How? 28 is divisible by 4 and no remainder is left. Like this, 7 is also divides 28 and no remainder is left. Here 1 multiplied 28 equal to 28 and 2 multiplied 14 equal to 28. 1 and 2 also divides the 28 and here is also no remainder is left. So students, 1, 2, 4, 28 and 14 are also factors of 28. So students, factors of 28 equal to 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Now I will teach you multiple. What is multiple? A multiple of a number is exactly divisible by the number. So students, what is the multiple of multiple of 7? How many multiples does it have? 7 into 1 equal to 7. 7 into 2 equal to 14. 7 into 3 equal to 21. Here 7 is the multiple of 7 also. 14 is also the multiple of 7 and 21 is the also multiple of 7. And like so on, let's continue forever. So 7, 14, 21 and so on. All the multiples are 7. So multiples of any number is endless. It is infinite. So multiple of any number is infinite. But factors of any number is finite. It has n. But multiple is endless. And so let us find out the multiple of 2. Multiple of 2. What is the multiple of 2? 2 is also the multiple of 2. 6 is also the multiple of 2. And 4 is also the multiple of 2. So 2, 6, 4, these are the multiples of 2. So students, those numbers which are the multiple of 2 is called even number. And what about those numbers who are not the multiples of the 2? These are called odd numbers. And 1, 3, 5, 7, these are not the multiple of 2, so these are called odd numbers. Okay students, so now we will discuss about the properties of factor. One is a factor of every number and second is a number is a factor of itself. And third is a factor of number is less than or equal to the number. It means a factor starts with 1 but ends with itself. And 4 is every number has at least 2 factors, 1 and itself also. And students, every non-zero number is a factor of 0. Now properties of multiples. Every number is a multiple of 1. Every number is a multiple of itself and is the smallest number of that number. In factor, the number itself is the largest factor of the number. But in the multiple, the number itself is the smallest number of the multiple. And we can find as many multiples of a number as we want. It is endless. It has no end. Okay, students? Good morning, students. Today I will teach you odd numbers and even numbers. Yesterday you have studied multiples and factors. And now we will discuss about odd numbers and even numbers. So students, all numbers which are not multiple of 2 are called odd numbers. Like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11. These are called odd numbers. After 11, 12 is not an odd number because it is a multiple of 2. But 11 is an odd number and 13 is also an odd number. Now even number. All numbers which are multiples of 2 are called even numbers. Like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. So students, odd numbers which are not the multiples of 2 and even numbers which are the multiples of 2. स्टूडेंट्स, डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट पढ़ने से पहले यह हमें जानना ज़रूरी है कि डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट क्या है। जब हम किसी नंबर को दूसरे नंबर से बिना डिवाइड किए कुछ नियमों के द्वारा यह जान लेते हैं कि उस नंबर से जब हम डिवाइड करेंगे तो रिमाइंडर नहीं रहेगा, पूरी तरह से वो नंबर उस दूसरे नंबर को डिवाइड कर देगा। यही डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट है। डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट में कई तरह के रूल्स हैं जो आप लोग अभी आगे की क्लास में पढ़ाई करेंगे। फर्स्ट, डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट बाय 2। ए नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 2 if its unit digit is any one of 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. You can see the example 612. In this number, 2 is at the ones place, which is divisible by 2 because its unit digit at the place of unit digit 2 is here, which is divisible by 2. So 612 is divisible by 2. So in the divisibility rule of 2, it is necessary its unit digit is any one of 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. You can see next example 615. In this number, 5 is at ones place, which is not divisible by 2. Or which is not 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. It is 5. So 615 is not divisible by 2.